Hello guys, my name is Tanvir and you are watching Dark CSS channel. Today in this video I am going to showing you 5 JavaScript projects that I have made for beginners that you can check out for practicing. So first of all, if you are my old viewers, then you have knowledge about my channel Dark CSS that I am only uploading video projects with our music, not my own voice. So this is my first video that I have made with my voice to describe about my channel and my projects that I have made for you. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel that you can notify about my upcoming videos, and you can check out my all videos about HTML, CSS and JavaScript that I have uploaded. I have uploaded about 111 videos all about HTML, CSS and JavaScript project. So please check out my videos and subscribe my channel. So let me describe about JavaScript projects without any waiting. So my first project is calculator using JavaScript. This is a famous and unique JavaScript project that you can see in every programming language channel to make a calculator. This is best and unique project that you can use as a beginner for testing and practicing your programming language. JavaScript is a most popular language than others, so you can watch this video for your work. Second one is form validation. Using JavaScript, it could be your dream that you are validating a login form using only JavaScript. In this project, I have used most of CSS to design it and JavaScript to validating it with showing errors. So this is the best project for a beginner. So please watch this video for improving your skills. Now the third one is hide and show password with a toggle icon. Almost you have seen in most popular websites that they are using this toggle button to hide and show password. So I have made this for you only using JavaScript. You have learned about these types of projects because you are a programmer and you can use it in any website of your or others. The fourth one is image slider project of JavaScript. This is project of e-commerce website and I have made it for you. An image slider is a most popular project in e-commerce or shopping site websites for showing their products in any unique way. So please check out this video as beginner for your practicing. Now the last and fifth one is increment and decrement button with JavaScript. This is the best project if you are starting to learn JavaScript. It means this type of projects will make you to get grip in your work, being based in your language. Now if you are watching this type of projects and not practicing to make it by yourself, then stop watching and wasting your time. Program is all about the practicing. It's not about willing. So please watch and work yourself to make other projects. Thanks for watching my video. Like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.